As you can see, we are outside in the gardens of the beautiful Jamaica Conference Center, and we are here to make a movie. It is supposed to be a smoothie, but when Simone done with it, it is not.
It's going to be a doozy. Yes, yes.
All right. Usually they give us instructions, but they don't give us none because they know
what we're... Yes.
And by the way, a smoothie is not an American invention, by the way. They go back centuries to cultures around the world and then to South America. And I'm told it was called a fruit slush. So we're going to start with milk. There you go.
Is this whole milk or is this 1%?
Then we have bananas.
And why
right?
we don't have implements to proper...
You know,
now, I don't take my smoothies sweet. I just use a little toops of banana.
Go ahead, Mama Cedar. The history of the smoothie is closely tied to the history of the blender. I bet you didn't know that. Because without the appliance, smoothie would almost be impossible.
What is this onto the table?
That is mostly coffee and... What is it? Which one is coffee? This one is coffee.
This is coffee?
And that one is what?
No, this is coffee.
Milo? Cocoa. Coffee and cocoa. Which one are you doing?
Coffee, obviously. You know I'm a coffee girl.
Right.
It's a beautiful morning.
Now, in 1973...
Do you want a little vanilla extract
I would love a little vanilla extract.
How about some nutmeg?
Very much nutmeg.
I don't want any nutmeg.
It is a silver nutmeg and a golden thing alone. Say it about melodians.
That smells nice.
It actually does. I'm trying to explain to the...
I am trying.
Yes, I want a little bit of...
Want any
well, don't put that in there then.
You're going to drink some?
Yeah.
You told me you weren't having any.
No, if you make it, I'm going to drink it.
All right, well, let's just have some nutmeg.
If I can just explain to you that the first smoothie king in Louisiana was Steve Connell, who had been experimenting with smoothie recipes for years, added ingredients such as yogurt, protein powder, and vitamins. That looks small, though.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Stop. No, you need to put in ice. But why don't you just put in a whole banana and done the argument?
No, because it's going to be too sweet, and I don't.
But you're going to drink it?
Yes.
Okay.
Why you asked that?
Because I thought I was going to drink.
No, but why you asked me like it can't drink? I don't understand the implication.
Well, we still know whether it can drink or not. We don't know that the jury is still out whether it can drink or not.
I don't appreciate that.
No, it can drink, but the jury is still out as how well it might taste. I think you should put more ice in there, though. You don't want it nice and cool and stuff. I'm just thinking here.
Are you making the smoothie or
no, it is you. All right, that's good. All right. All right. Stop the man. You know.
Happy now?
You're going to be thinking hard, you know that.
Are you ready?
You're going to be thinking hard.
Cement.
All right. I don't know if this is a smoothie glass still. This don't look smoothie-ish.
It doesn't. Ready?
Yep.
It's beautiful morning. But that don't look bad.
It looks great.
Wait, we have the chairs and benches. Wait.
It smells great. Now we just need to find out.
Chairs.
And benches. And tables, actually. Hold on, you go first. Well, let me put on back. If the maker of the movie and the doozy face makeup, so me not tasting that.
You know what?
What?
It's good for me, but you're not going to like it.
Why not?
Because it needs more banana.
But I told you.
To make it sweeter. I don't drink sweet, though. This is good.
All right. No, pray for me, please. Wait, no, man. You know, I am going to support you. I'm not going to support you. By the way, what is up on Smile Jamaica tomorrow? You're going to see that coming up on your screen. I'm not supporting that.
Nice.
Actually, it's not bad enough.
Earns.
No, not bad. If you put a little bit more banana, I could work with that.
No, that's too much banana.
Thanks for watching, by the way, folks. And again, we thank the Jamaica Conference Center for hosting us. We're going to be here for the rest of the week. And then we might have a little surprise for you. So look after yourselves, sanitize, wash your hands, still wear the mask if required, and just, be good to someone today. God bless.
Never smoothie mustache.
Is that